Take a ride in 2021 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.